Hi everyone and Happy New Year! I hope you all had a great Christmas, had a great New Year's celebration, and are really looking forward to what 2018 has in store. It's been a little while since I last did a video, I know. I actually went the other way from what most people were doing, where they were doing Vlogmas and doing videos every day, and I actually did no videos at all. I thought I would actually take a break from doing videos through the month of December, and I am really grateful for all the new subscribers that I got in December as well, considering I didn't really put out any videos. So welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, and there will be more videos. So I do normally try and do about 2 videos a week. So yeah, hope to get back into the swing of things now. So this video is a really exciting one for me because it's a Christmas gift that I got, and I am just so grateful to receive this gift because it is amazing. And so without further ado, rather than me rambling on, let's get into the video. And so this is what I was fortunate enough to get as a Christmas present, and yes, it's from Cartier. Now I'll be honest with you, I love Cartier as a brand. Who doesn't? It is so luxurious, so beautiful, but never in my life did I really think that I would end up owning something from there, and that's why I am so grateful. So let me show you quickly what's in this bag. So you've kind of like got the standard kind of manual and everything in there, and you've also got like a lovely little pouch in there as well. And also in here you have a white box, and inside of the white box is this beautiful box. So it's kind of like a red, kind of looks like a kind of beautiful beauty box or jewelry box, and it's gorgeous. It's such a nice box, and inside there is the Cartier Panthere watch. How lovely is that? And this is the 18 karat yellow gold and steel watch, and I decided to go for this one just purely because I wear both metals, and so it's easier for me to not have to think about, you know, what watch to wear depending on what jewelry I'm wearing. So this one is just easier, makes more sense for me because then I can wear it with any metal that I want to, really. It is a little bit more expensive when you go for the yellow gold, but in the long run I think it makes more sense for me. So so yeah, this is so gorgeous. So I've taken it out of the box, and this is the watch. Hopefully you can see that. What I really love about this watch is that it's just so classy looking, I think anyway. It's so slim. It's, you know, if you look at it from here, how flat it is from the side. So it's so slim, it's so delicate, and it's such an elegant looking watch that I just think that it's just a nice addition for me personally, because most of the other watches I've got are quite big. The dials are quite big, they're quite chunky. So this is nice to just have something that's so simple and so classy and elegant. And on the side, the little dial there is actually a sapphire, so that's a nice little touch that they've added to the watches also. As I said, this is the 18 karat yellow gold with steel. You can get it in just steel, you can get it in rose gold. This is the medium size, I think it is, which is about 27 millimeters, I believe. There is a smaller version which I think is about 22, and that was just too small for me. It was just way too small for me, and considering the price difference, I thought it just makes more sense to go for the slightly bigger version. So that's what this one is, and I just love it. I just think, you know, it is very extravagant, don't get me wrong. It's a very expensive item. This medium one costs 7,200, and I believe the slightly smaller one is 6,000 500, something like that. So not a huge difference in the price. It's very expensive. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not even trying to justify it. It is very expensive for a watch, but you know what, sometimes in life you just, you know, you just have to be grateful and thank God. Just be grateful, and I truly am. So yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you. If anybody's thinking about buying one or looking at them for somebody else, I just think they're gorgeous. I really do. I just think they're so classy. They're so delicate. They're very non-invasive. Like I say, they're quite small. So for me personally, I just think that they are beautiful. So yeah, that's the Cartier Panther watch. So that is it for today's video. I know, a very extravagant start to 2018, and I can bet that that is probably going to be the most expensive item on my channel for the rest of the year. If you're not already a subscriber, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. So please do click the links down below and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.